Hello everyone, NB Box Breaks doing a box break on a 2015-16 Panini Anthology Hockey. I'll show you the time and date. It is 6:50 Tuesday, September 5th. Here are all 30 spots. Thanks everyone for getting in. Anyone new, we're going to randomize this list 3 times and the team list 3 times as well. So here we go. There's 1. There's 2. And let's do the third one. It's hard to get it all. I'm trying to get it all on the screen and hit it, but it's hard to get that. All right, so you got Joe V at 1, Buffalo Bills at 30, and you see it's been randomized 3 times. I'm trying to pull it back so you can see. It's hard to get it all on the screen. There we go. So I'll go ahead and copy and paste. Copy. And there you go. Joe V at 1, Buffalo Bills at 30. All right. And now we'll do the teams. So here's all 30 teams. We'll randomize this as well. There's 1, 2, and 3. So you got your Calgary Flames at 1, your Philadelphia Flyers at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. Let's go ahead and copy and paste. Calgary down to Philadelphia, and there's everyone's teams. All right, so now we'll get to opening the box. All right, Anthology Hockey 15-16. Done a bunch of these. It says 6 cards. A lot of the boxes have had 7. I want to say almost all of them. I think there's only been 1 or 2 boxes that have only had 6 cards. Most of them have had 7, but you know, can't guarantee that. But most of them have had 7. Just want to make it clear to everyone that for the teams, because there are no NHL, emblems on these cards, I go by Cardboard Connection has a checklist on it, which also follows the same thing that Beckett has. So whatever they have for the teams, that's what we go by. So there's all the cards. And here we go. So first one is a massive material for Ryan. Is that Garbutt? I have not heard of him. Let's go to Cardboard Connection and see what they have this team down as. I see they mentioned Dallas on the back of the card. Let's see. Massive Materials. Again, this is on Cardboard Connection. Alright, card number 95. And Ryan Garbutt is correct, the Dallas Stars. See, it's numbered at the bottom, 31 out of 199. So there's a hit for Dallas Stars. All right, here's card number 2. We got a sizable signature, Michael Scarbosa. See if it's got a serial number on the back. There it is, 182 out of 299. Go and look and see sizable signatures. Sorry guys, just trying to find it on here. Sizable signatures. There it is. All right. don't have a card number on here, do they? Make it easier to find. No, SSSG. We just gotta find his name here. There it is. That card's gonna go to the Colorado Avalanche. So Michael Scarvosa is going to Colorado. All right, card number 3. Nice, another autograph. Awesome, Paul Coffey. That's a cool autograph to have there. Paul Coffey, 9/65. Nice low number there. Let's see what team that is. Could be a couple different. And that's from the Pittsburgh Penguins. So that's a cool looking card. Nice Paul Coffey, Pittsburgh Penguins autograph. Nice nice autograph there. All right, here's another massive material, Joe Thornton. It's got the dual color here, so the probably going to be a low number there. Yeah, 19/25. Take a look. I'm assuming this is San Jose. In fact, I don't. Yeah, I guess. I would assume it's not Boston with those colors, but let's just look anyway. Massive material, and the number on that card is 15. And yeah, Joe Thornton, San Jose Sharks. Nice hit for San Jose. All right, here is card number 5. Another massive material. Brendan Shanahan. 215/299. Nice player as well. Big name star. And let's see. I'm guessing this is going to be... All right, so this is Brandon Shanahan. And it says Detroit Red Wings. Hartford to Detroit. Yep, Detroit Red Wings. So Shanahan is Detroit. All right, card number 6, which is awesome because there are 7 cards. Awesome card here. Stan Mikita. Cool tetrad materials. Got 4 different, you got some patches, and then here is, my guess is that's going to be a stick. 43/99. That's an awesome card. Stan Mikita. I'll look, but I'm sure that's Chicago. I don't think he played on any other team. But just for the hell of it, I'll look anyway. Why can't I find it? There it is. Alright, where's Stan Mikita? Obviously, Stan Mikita, Chicago Blackhawks. Nice card there. And then here's our 7th card, which again, seems like almost every box has 7. And here's a cool dual signature. Malcolm Subban and Jonathan Drouin. Awesome. Dual signature. 44/199. And we're going to look to see. It goes to, I don't know if these guys are on the same team or not, but it goes to the player on the top. So let's go ahead and see. Let's find the dual signature. Dual autograph. See, does it have a card number here? Okay, no card number. I'll just have to find the name. I'm looking in the wrong. This is Anthology dual autograph. This is a clear choice autograph. Oh, I'm looking maybe in a different section. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Clear choices autograph. Malcolm Subban and Jonathan Drouin. So Malcolm Subban is Boston, and Jonathan Drouin is obviously Tampa Bay. So this is going to go to Malcolm Subban for the Boston Bruins. So nice hit for Boston. And that'll do it, guys. So another great box. Again, for the money, the 1560 Anthology, can't beat it. So I'll probably get a new one once I finish up these other ones. I've been looking at Upper Deck, and they just the 1516s, some of the price are just so high on some of the boxes, and still too early on the the 1617, and still too early for the 1718s. But we still have a 1314 titanium out there, and the vinyl vault. Did one of those, had a lot of nice cards in it. The titanium's got has 5 hits in it, so another good cheap price on that. And then if you're into football, guys, this is all the new players that have been drafted. 5 autograph cards per box on that one. So once those finish up, we'll get some new ones. I'll probably get another Anthology. But thanks everyone for getting in. If you want to buy on my website, it is cheaper than eBay. If not, please feel free to do it on eBay as well. So thanks everyone for getting in. Appreciate it.